Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain SEATGEEK app review to see with what you're using. So to get started with a breakdown and analysis about this mobile app, SEATGEEK is a ticket buying app that helps you find great deals for concert, sport, theater event. It's just a unique deal score system to show you the best value seat and offer the easy to use interface with a seat preview and a mobile ticket delivery. The app is reliable for comparing price across multiple sellers and offer a money back guarantee if something goes wrong, making it a favorable and a favorite for many event growers. On the downside, SeatGeek sometimes had hidden fee at checkpoint, which can make the ticket more expensive than they first appear. Some users also report issues with ticket delivery and slow customer support. While it's great for browsing and finding deals, it's not always the most reliable when you need help fast. Overall, SeatGeek is worth for finding good ticket option, but double check the final price before prepare for possible service delay. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this ticket selling platform. And that's it.